Hello, this is Scott Rumry from Fedora Outlier LLC with a extending Mac functionality quick tip. Today we're going to discuss enhanced dictation for the Mac. What is enhanced dictation? Enhanced dictation, simply put, is the ability to dictate text that you want entered into any edit field, with the exception of password fields, into your computer, such as in a text edit document, an email message, a tweet, a Facebook post, anywhere you can enter normal text, you can use enhanced dictation. But first you'll have to enable enhanced dictation, and that's what I'd like to show you now. So to do that, you need to go over to System Preferences.
Doc. System Preferences, 17 of 29. System Preferences. Now in System Preferences window, toolbar, search text field. Stop interact. Preference pane, General button.
Okay, when you're in the System Preferences preference panes, that's where all your System Preferences items are located. You want to move to the Dictation and Text selection.
Dictation and speech button.
Dictation and speech, I apologize.
Dictation, selected tab, 1 of 2.
And you'll open that, and the tab that you need to be selected is the one that's selected by default, and that's Dictation. So just VO right arrow.
Text to speech tab, 2 of 2. Use dictation wherever you can type text. To start dictating, use the shortcut or select Start Dictation from the edit menu. Dictation, on, selected radio button, 1 of 2.
You want to make sure that on is selected, and it is on mine.
Off, radio button, 2 of 2. Plantronics.audio 655 DSP menu button.
This is the audio source that it will be using for the microphone, and mine is set to a pair of headphones that I currently am using that have a mic on them.
Use enhanced dictation, checkbox.
This is what you want to make sure is checked. If you have not done this as of yet, when you check this, about a 750 megabyte download will begin. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes to completely download the file and then install enhanced dictation. And what is actually happening is you are downloading the entire dictation dictionary from the Apple servers. And that is why it works so well, because you will no longer be dependent on an internet connection for the processing of what you are saying. Dictation works without this enabled, will work the same way it works on your iPhone or your iPad or even your iPod Touch. It will allow you to record up to 30 seconds at a time. Then it'll need to send it onto the Apple server for processing and then bring it back to you. And that's why sometimes that can take a little while to complete. So with enhanced dictation, it works much better, and I'll demonstrate that for you in just a second. I just want to check one more thing in this window.
Allows offline use and continuous dictation with live feedback. Language, English, United States. Language, shortcut. Press right command key twice. Shortcut, pop-up button.
Okay, this is a pop-up where you can choose what you want the shortcut key to be. By default, it'll be press the FN key twice. And when you do that, you wait for a chime that indicates that your mic is now live and will be inputting any text that it hears you speak. I changed mine to the the command key.
Shortcut. Press right command key twice.
Right command key twice because I'm using a wireless keyboard and I don't like the placement of the FN key. So I just changed it to one that makes more sense for me. So you can do that as well. So now that we've got that set and you've installed enhanced dictation, how do you even use it? Okay, so let me go over to a text edit window.
Finder, ScreenFlow, text edit, extending map.
Okay, and I will create a new document.
New, now in untitled window, edit text.
And just let me interact
with
this.
edit text.
Okay, now I'm going to start dictation. First, let me think of something to say. Okay, comma, I am sitting here making a quick recording for a newsletter and blog post that will be going out to all of our subscribers on extending Mac functionality with enhanced dictation, period. I would like to explain to the audience that when you first press the hotkey the very first time you're going to use enhanced dictation, there will be a long pause as it seems to take about 15 to 20 seconds for the program to load, period. If you are going to be using enhanced dictation, this pause will not happen each time you use it. It just seems to happen when you first launch it, period.
Okay, I am sitting here making a quick recording for a newsletter and blog post that will be going out to all of our subscribers on extending Mac functionality with enhanced dictation. I would like to explain to the audience that when you first press the hotkey the very first time to go to use enhanced dictation, there will be a long pause as it seems to take about 15 to 20 seconds for the program to load. If you're going to be using enhanced dictation, this pause will not happen each time you use it, just seems to happen when you first launch it.
Okay, and as you can tell, it got everything correct, and this is what I'm very impressed with enhanced dictation. It seems to be very accurate, much more accurate than Siri dictation on iOS, in my opinion. So just keep in mind that the first time you press that hotkey to start enhanced dictation, there may be a long pause, but that's only for that first time. This will happen each time you do dictation for the first time in that computer session, but I think that's just a load time issue to get the application to begin. But it's very useful, especially for those of us who would rather speak to our computer instead of type. Even those who have some motor skill issues, maybe their fingers don't work as well as others. So give it a try, and I hope you really enjoy using enhanced dictation, and stay tuned for more extending Mac functionality quick tips from Fedora Outlier LLC.